Hi, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. Rocket Bob, great guy from Britain, top of the range products. Okay, you can see here why Rocket Bob charges so much. You check the design of this and the skill making it. Okay, this is basically for a Dyna, late Dyna. This is an extended one, which means you can have a pillion on as well. They do a short one, 70mm shorter, 3 inches in proper money. Okay, but just check this for fabrication. Rocket Bob, very skilled guy, like I say. This particular fender, like I say, for a Dyna. As you can see, beautiful welding. Very, very thick, over-engineered if you like, but check the quality and the detail. I mean, who else would bother doing this? Or you're not welded in, not your normal Harley thing. As you can see, that's actually welded in. Normally, of course, you've got that stupid curve thing, but beautifully made and available in Custom Cruisers. Not yet on the website, I don't think, but if it isn't, it's not on the website, I should say, please give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. So for any Rocket Bob stuff, or we also do various other makes, give us a call. It's customcruisers.com, the new site.eu, a lot of late stuff on there, very good. And 01773 835 666. Thank you.